Hey everybody, we're the Nerds. I'm Jeremy.
I'm Steph.
As you see right behind us here, we're at the Penthouse 301. We're at Margaritaville Island Hotel. Amazing 2-bedroom suite. Y'all are gonna love it. All right, here we are at Penthouse 301. So right in the foyer area, this is a 2-bedroom penthouse suite, amazing room. Right past that little mirror, a little area right here to come into. And right behind this is the sitting area.
Straight off the elevator.
This is a private elevator, only 3 rooms up here, 2 penthouses, 1 queen bed. And if you actually rent out all 3 rooms, it becomes a 5-bedroom suite up here. And this is a little area right here for anybody to share these rooms. So there's Rick there, one of the dad nerds. So but right here to your right, you have tables and chairs out here. Look at these little porthole mirrors. These are really cool. As I break them.
Knock it off the wall.
That's awesome. And then all the cool artwork on the wall right here. See, Jimmy Buffett up here, St. Summer, which is their spa. Really cool. All right, and you got a nice TV here. And you got the couch here that Dad Nerd is relaxing on for us.
Comfortable?
Been walking the island. I need an island drink.
And this couch usually sits with 7 people, it looks like. As you come this way, you got a foosball table here as well. So you can play foosball out here if you want to. And again, this is a private floor for only 3 rooms, so there's not going to be a lot of people up here. If you rent the whole floor, all 3 rooms become like your living room space. So you got 1 penthouse behind me. You got the queen room over here. You got a pelican right here. I love the artwork. And then this is our suite down here, which is Penthouse PH 301. Double doors. We'll take you right inside. Come on in, Steph.
I'm coming.
So right as you come in, you have a closet right here in the front. So you got a luggage rack, pillows, everything you need. Plenty of place to put your coats and everything. Mm-hmm. And then come in this way. This is a big room, y'all. It's really cool.
It's an apartment.
So, yeah, it's awesome. So I'll show you to the right down here. Is how you go into the living room area and balcony. We'll show you that last. And then the 2 bedrooms are down this hallway right behind me. So 1 bedroom has a bathroom attached to it. The 2nd bedroom is not a bathroom, but it's right here in the hallway. So it's still very close. And then we'll show you the bathroom here. So as you come in, hey everybody. So there's a sink there, nice sink. You got plenty of towels there, hair dryer. You got a nice toilet there, towels, and wow. Like, they have so many cool decorations and artwork and everything. And look at this, y'all. I want to hop in here. Here's your shower right here. Look at this. You got the huge rain head shower there. But let me squeeze into here. And look at this in front of us. Another shower head. Then you got the 3 jets here as well. So this is a 5-jetted shower right here. This is really cool. And there's the rain head right above me. And coming out here, we're going to head down this way right now and down this hallway to the bedrooms. Thank you, Steph.
You're welcome.
So, walking backwards, you know it's never a good idea to do this. So look at this full-length mirror. And these colors scream Margaritaville. Like it's hanging
chill
on a boat anchor top.
Oh, is it? I
Yeah,
didn't notice that.
got the boat anchor, the rope, the chill. I mean, this is pretty cool. Interior decorating here is amazing. So coming in here, this is the 2 queen room right here. And look at this, y'all. Do you read in bed? Stephanie does, and look at this.
That one?
Oh yeah, sorry, I got it open right here.
Yeah.
So right here, these lights right here, so it's like that normally, opens up, and you can kind of turn it however you want to read your books at night. And so,
perfect for me.
yeah, so 2 queen beds. Again, artwork. Look at the headboard, y'all. Like, this is cool. It's like you're on a boat in here almost. This is really cool. So out here is the view we'll show you last. Have a little area right here to put your shoes on and sit.
Yep.
You have plenty of storage right here. Nice size TV.
And there's another bench right here.
Yep, somebody's been to Old Smoky Moonshine. And then over here in the closet, I'll show you this first actually. So right here on the wall, you do have these little remotes that pop off for your ceiling fan and your light controls. So you don't even got to get out of bed. You can just read your little reading light. And then over here, see if that opens up. Yeah, there we go.
Party in the closet.
Yeah, party. I can't dance at all. So you got safe, a little bit of a walk-in closet, plenty of storage, luggage rack, all your typical stuff. And then, Steph, did you show one of our favorite features yet?
No.
We
What?
love hotels with ceiling fans. So look at this.
Boom.
There's the ceiling fan.
Oh, I
We
love
love
it.
And then, so turning around, this is our room. This is our room right here. I love it. I love it. So, ta-da! There's our room. I guess right here you got the same light controls. So you got your little
With
remote
separate thermostat.
pops off. Yep, separate thermostat. Some cool, nice looking little wall plates there.
Oh, is it a dimmer?
It looks like it's a
I
dimmer.
think it's a dimmer.
Oh, that's cool.
Stop it.
I'll start with the closet real quick here for you.
Fancy,
This one's a smaller.
fancy.
You got your bathrobes in there, your slippers and everything. So that's pretty cool. Luggage rack. Look at this wall. I love that wall. It's got the real wood on the wall.
Textured?
Yeah, it's real wood, yeah. And look at this. I'm probably gonna break this, but look at this. It's the hanging pendant lights, but it's like oversized. Love it. So king size bed in here.
How's it? Is it comfortable?
Oh yeah. We love the beds in here. King size bed. On both sides of the bed, you do have your storage. So you got 3 drawers on each side.
Plenty of plugs.
Plenty of plugs. Lights on. Clock has a little phone port for it, everything. 2 windows here. This looks right off the island. Again, we'll show you the balcony here in a minute.
There's a little sneak peek. There's the wheel. Where'd it go? Oh, I'm hitting it. Okay.
And then you got some more. I love the artwork. And then nice size TV again. Plenty of storage. This is nice too. It's got a little glass over in front of it. And then also this side here has a blanket for you too. So you got plenty of storage. And it's really nice. And this bathroom.
Here, I'm gonna give you this and let you walk in there.
Oh
Show
yeah,
'em.
yeah. This bathroom's a bigger bathroom now for the main bedroom here. So you walk in.
Those mirror lights are
They're super bright. You want to pick around some stuff? And then you got the double sinks in here. Plenty of storage, towels, typical toilet. And then you do have your amenities right over here. But this is just super nice. And you have your shower right over here. So there's no bathtub actually in here at all. It's just a heads up on that. This shower is a little bit bigger. Similar size, but a little bit bigger than the one we're just in. But it does have the rain head shower head again. And it has the 5 jets, just like the other one does. I'm looking forward to this. This is going to be nice. So we're going to head back out now and to the other part of the room here. This is basically, Stephanie said, it's like an apartment.
It literally is an apartment. If you lived in New York City, your apartment would be smaller than this.
Possibly, yeah. So look at this here. As you run the corner.
Ooh, look, this is a long hallway too. Where'd you go?
Long hallway. Look on the wall here next to you. This is cool. All the little decorations. Inside these little things are the mirrors too. So you got mirrors and decorations and everything. And then you got another thermostat here. And look above you too. Just the design, like you got the little wood on the lights for the recessed lighting. Just everything about this room is
Ooh,
amazing.
look at that kitchen. That's
awesome
a beautiful kitchen.
So you got some storage up top here. Really nothing inside there. You do have this. It's a full-size fridge. You don't see that unless you usually go like condos or, you know, things like
Big
that.
freezer with the ice. in
Big
it,
deep
too.
freezer.
Look how deep that is. We need that at home.
Yeah, very nice. On this side here, you have these little cool things here.
What is that?
This is plugs right here that pop up.
Oh, okay.
Yep. It's a nice, and this is nice wood bar here. It's the live wood, which they call it. So it's really nice. You got your ice bucket cups there. You got your sink here. You got the full little wand that
You
comes out.
spray me. It'll be war.
Nice sink in there. And then
Big thing.
right over here, you got the Keurig machine. So you got plenty of nice coffee cups here too. Oops. So nice coffee cups, plenty of K-cups, creamer, all that. And then you have all your wine glasses up there as well. So it looks like there may be some lights up there. On this side here, you got the dishwasher. And then you have just plenty of drawers. The drawers just have your typical things like that, like the, I guess the microwave oven behind us.
What is this?
The Margaritaville margarita mixer. Yeah.
Yes, it is.
And we'll put our video in the description below. We had a 2-room suite here before. That's a smaller version of this. And then we actually did the margaritas. We tried some margaritas there. And for your dishwasher, you have the Palmolive, towel, all the stuff you need right there. So if you need to wash some dishes, there you go. On the other side over here, nice microwave oven. Microwave check. Brought to you by Smoky Mountain Family. So Smoky Mountain Family, microwave check. That's the second one I've done of them now. So
What are these?
Eric Where's your microwave checks at? I don't see them anymore. Oh, all your stuff you need. So you got bowls and silverware and everything, cutting board, and then plates. I'll get your Margaritaville, or margarita glasses, not Margaritaville. Margarita glasses up there, everything you could possibly need. So coming over here, I'll show you this side and then we'll turn around to the TV. We got a little table here, remote, couch that sits 3. This thing's got some huge sides on it, so you just sit in here. Very nice. Hello. And then you got the Jimmy Buffett signs there. And this is the longest fireplace I've seen in the room before. Huge fireplace here. I'll tell you, it puts off a lot of heat. TV, huge size. As you can see, it turns. So if you're all over there at the cooking and things like that, you can turn it.
Yeah, and you sit at the bar.
Yeah, look at this bar right here. Got the live bar. You got the 3 chairs here. So there's plenty of seating. On this side here, 2 more chairs and a table. And all these can see the TV as well, so it's really good viewing angles. Look at this. Oh, these curtains up right here. This here is your table. Another live wood table, what they called it. So you got the bench here. You can probably sit 3, maybe 4 people on the bench. And then you have 2 chairs on this side. And then you have a chair down here. All kinds of room down here. 2 plugs. Is there a light over here? There's not a light over here.
Huh.
Look on this wall right here. You have the huge parrot picture. Or art on the wall. Yeah.
That's a cool parrot.
Yep, and then if you look out here, on this window right here, so this is the shops here, the fountain is off to your left. And see where that little sweet sign is right there? The balcony on the right side of it, there's a balcony on the left side, was our room before, that's in the description below.
There's the wheel.
And that was an awesome room. Whoa, look at this. It's not letting me play the car, but I just like that, it's really neat. It's like a kind of metalish. And then, y'all are gonna love this out here. This is the true wow factor. So, balcony. The views are amazing, the balcony's amazing. Check this out, y'all. We're gonna walk you through the whole thing and shut the door real quick just to get through the bug.
Look at that.
Wow factor right there. So the Market Street shops are to your right. And then you got the Ferris wheel to your left, the fountains, Paula Dean's. Another Margaritaville property straight ahead over there. Look at this balcony.
Look at this.
We're gonna walk the whole thing for you. We got seats 4 out here at the little table. And over here, there's the vacation club. There's the restaurant right there. Look at that, y'all. Wow. I'll keep going around. And Stephanie, what's today, Steph?
My birthday.
It's Steph's birthday. It's happy birthday to Steph.
Thank you.
And I'll give the camera back to Stephanie. We're gonna keep walking this way. So this is a shared balcony between the 3 rooms, but anybody can use it while you're up here. So we can walk to either side wherever we want. So it's one big long balcony up here. We'll go all the way down the end down there. There's our bedroom right there.
Big bye. Nobody's in there. That's the 2nd bedroom.
And this is the queen bedroom doors right here. If you were to get the queen bedroom. Couple more chairs up here. Keep walking down. And this is the penthouse for the other side here. So there is a balcony on the back side, I think there is for the penthouse as well. But this is the other part of the penthouse. And they said you're able to use as much of the balcony as you want. So you have mountain views off in the distance there. And you have just wonderful views of the river there, or the creek.
And the new light walk.
Oh yeah.
It's called Wonder of Lights.
Yeah,
Starts right past the bridge to the right.
we'll put our video in the description below that. But yeah, it's literally a walking distance from here. So
Yeah.
as you can see, I'll walk back to the room real quick. But yeah, so this is a shared, like I said, shared balcony, but they said use as much of it as you like. And then look at that. This is just the best balcony of any hotel we've ever had. Period. Look at that. The wheel already lit up. I mean, wow. Margaritaville has done the wow factor with this room for sure. And we'll head back in, and I'll just do a quick walk throughout the room real quick. So there's back in, bar area, kitchen area, living room area, dining area there. All the cool artwork there. One of the bathrooms right there. Bedrooms down that way. Then you got the closet there. And then come right out here to the foyer area right here. So there it was. That was our stay here at the Margaritaville Island Hotel in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. And we'll have the video in the description below from before where we did a full walkthrough and everything at the hotel. As far as the suite goes, fantastic. Look behind us there, the Ferris wheel, all the fountain show going on behind us, the Christmas lights at night. Just phenomenal. What'd you think, Steph?
It was, I'm sorry, I'm freezing.
Yeah.
It was a lot of, I love this room. This room is absolutely amazing. It is a huge room. It's totally unnecessary for us to stay here, but it was really nice to celebrate our birthday in a big way. So
Yeah.
that was really cool. We went shopping today. We had food down here. So this is a perfect location to just come, park your car, and just relax.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
I had a great time.
Yeah, it's awesome.
And look at the lights. The lights are on now. The fountain show, it's not going right now, but there's trees over there. That's not, like, it's just, it doesn't get any better.
Exactly. But that being said, if you get a chance, this is more like a special occasion type room. So anniversary, birthday, something like that, stay here. They've got fountain view rooms, just single like king bedrooms. They got those available as well. It's a little bit cheaper.
Yeah.
Check online for the price. It does vary, but this is obviously the most expensive room here, so it can get pricey. But yeah, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button.
The show's starting.
The show is starting, and the nerds are
out.